Hi guys, hello and welcome to another Java tutorial. Today I will show you how you can set up your Java environment using Eclipse. So first of all, you can open Google and type download JDK 17. So when you are done typing, this is one of the links that will show up at the top where you can click, and then you can scroll down by your operating system. You can choose the download. So if you click on Windows XX64 installer, it will download the executable file. Then you can start running that, go through the installation. When you are done with that, on the Google search engine, you can type download Eclipse. Then you can go to Eclipse downloads. That'll be the first link that you will click. And then you can click download x86-64, and then you can hit download. An executable file with download, and then you can simply choose. Now this is the step that I really want to show you guys, that after you're done downloading, you will see in your downloads folder an installer for Eclipse that will pop up like this, the one that you're seeing right now. And from this list, make sure that you choose Eclipse IDE for Java developer, and then simply follow through the entire process. Once you are done downloading these, you can then open Eclipse. And once the Eclipse IDE loads, it will show you the default workspace where it will be saving the files. You launch it. And after that, you will be able to create a new Java project. You can name your project whatever you want to name it. Just make sure that you uncheck create module info.java file. Right now the execution environment is Java Standard Edition 17. I'm hitting next to show you the folder structure and hit finish. Your projects will show up in the Package Explorer. You can simply right click and go to new to create a class. Once you create a class, you can check public static void main, and this is where you can write your Java code. And then after you're done typing it, you can save and hit the play button to run, and your output will show up in the console down below. You can certainly increase the font size. You can certainly change the environment from light to dark theme. So there are so many things that you can do right within the Eclipse environment. Let me know in the comment section below if you want to learn about these things. Take care. Bye-bye.